Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see everything about Arattai Messenger application. This is the Made in India application. So how to download, how to sign up and how to use, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So my iPhone screen is here. I just simply enter here App Store, type here Arattai Messenger application is display here in the first position. Just simply download this application. After download, just simply open here, agree and condition. You need to provide here mobile number no matter which country you living. The application support entire world. I just simply type here my Indian number and just simply say continue. Within a second, I'm receiving the OTP, verify. Initialize Arattai will be selecting and boom, I already created account the Arattai application, so my all detail is automatically display here. Bottom of the screen, the first option, it means this is the status. Select one of the status of your own like this, and this is the your status, same as it is in WhatsApp application, so you are not missing WhatsApp after migrate the Arattai application. The second option come here, the voice quality. This application combination between Teams and the WhatsApp, so message as well as you can schedule the meeting and join the meeting, schedule the meeting as well accordingly. First one is a meeting. You can call as a meeting perspective and share the particular link your friends and other people as well. Joining meeting, provide here meeting ID and join this one. Schedule the particular date, time or person. Participate is also available here. You can add the participate and then schedule the specific meeting. Here the messages come here, direct group. How to create here the message, all the contact related information is displaying here. So here someone can message you here like hello, same as it is in WhatsApp application, direct, and here the group. So if you want create a group, it's very simple. You can come to the group here, the new one, the bottom of the screen, message, say here new group, new channel, explore. So I just simply say here create a channel and you just provide the channel picture. First of all, look like this. It's very easy. And channel title, so I just type here research rocks and the given the description, the category, select here the education, entertainment, people, blog, or what you want selects here the people and blog or education. I just simply say education. Public or private, so I say public, and here your channel you can change the link as well. So yeah, I just simply say here research rock, say done, and this is the my personal channel link, so I can copy this one, or it's very easy to create as well. So you won't add someone participate of this channel, so you just simply select the contact numbers and just say yes or invite. I select all the person and invite, and afterwards they can join very easily. Here 3 people's already joined, subscribe. So this is the way to create your channel as well. Here the contact number you can directly call from here. Select one of the person. Previously no one are installing this application like 1 week ago, and now so many people are install the application and use and migrate from the WhatsApp to this application because of this one is a made in India. Here the setting option is available. If you want change the profile pictures, so accordingly you change the profile picture, you select here the name. So at the rate, I just simply say here research rock 7 is available. Yes, my username is a research rock 7. Someone can search me by name and username as well. Here is the mobile number showing. Afterwards here personal storage, your personal storage, you can just simply put it here the picture, and you can access the pictures or particular data. This is my personal pocket or personal storage, so I can access this data next time wherever I need. Accordingly you should use this personal pack. Showing here the contact details, how many people are using this one, accordingly the contact detail is showing here. Afterward device and session, you can access this one in your website as well, in laptop as well. Account related information, you can change the number from here automatically. The all data is belongs in previous number to new numbers. Similar kind of same in WhatsApp. If you want delete this account, so you just simply click here and delete the account. Call and meeting meeting, you can always showing the meeting control, recording and branding as well. If you want decide some of the ringtones is available, which one you want select, accordingly you decide. Go back, notification sound, here the sum of the sound, so you can change here as well. Security and privacy is option is here. Passcode lock is also available. If you enable, you just provide here passcode, set password in your Arattai application as well. Data and storage, you can check here data and storage, download media and mobile data, enable. If you use mobile data, you want download this information or you just download the information after connecting the Wi-Fi, accordingly you should select here. Language perspective, here so many languages are available, especially on base belongs in India, so which language you suitable, accordingly you decide. Afterwards you can invite your friends so they can install the application as well using this message or WhatsApp application through. This is the very simple process to use the Arattai application, and same as it is as you expecting in WhatsApp application. So this is the Made in India application. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.